Hi folks, today we are preparing chicken. That too, I will tell you how to prepare chicken within 20 minutes. If you follow this procedure, chicken will be prepared within 20 minutes. For this, what are the requirements are chicken, which is chopped small pieces, garam masala, 2 teaspoons, and turmeric powder, onions, 2 onions. For half kg, you use 2 onions, ginger and coconut we need to grind, ginger also, and red chili 4 pieces or 5 pieces based on your what, if chili is more then spicy will be more based on your spicy levels. Coriander, fortune refined oil, matlab koi whichever the oil you are using you can use, but it should be mustard oil, it will be taste more. If you use normal sunflower oil also it will be good, if you use mustard oil it will be tastier. And chili powder, finally chili powder 3 spoons or 4 spoons of chili powder, that's what, based on your spicy levels. First we need to grind coriander, mixture of coriander, mixture of coriander and the ginger will be cut into small pieces, slices like this for easy grind. And coconut which is grind, I kept it as grinded one, I kept it as grinded one. This one 5 tablespoons or 6 tablespoons based on your masala quantity. If you are using more or 7 or 8, then your gravy will be more. Now grind all the mixtures in a mixer with sufficient water. Water should be added so that the mixture should be fine. Grinding mixture should be fine. Now take the chicken, which is after bringing the chicken you should make it soak with water, salt and turmeric powder for sterilization purpose, and for making it soft. See, you are finding yellow because I have already kept turmeric powder and salt. It is soaked in turmeric powder. Now I am cleaning this. It will make faster cook as well. If you are soaking in turmeric powder and salt, the pieces will become soft and it will make you to cook faster. Now take the kadai, lid it, add 4 teaspoons of mustard oil. Now we are keeping onions as well as onions pieces like this, we need to cut onion pieces. After getting heated we need to add it to that oil. And mirchi we need to cut, red mirchi we need to cut and we need to add. Let the oil get heated. Till then take another vessel and lid it, add some oil, now the masala is like this, masala should be like this. If you want green color gravy then add more number of coriander leaves, that is the secret behind greenery. If you don't want much more greenery then you can use normal coriander leaves, matlab 4 or 5 leaves, 4 or 5 stems is more than enough. If you want more greenery, then use 6 or 8 stems or 9 stems, like that. Oil had got heated. Now we can add this one to this. Now we need to rinse this one. Now this got heated. Now we need to add onions to this kadai and red chili. Red chili should be cut in pieces and we need to add. You can see I have added onions as well as red chili or green chili also you can use here. For if you want a gravy as green, then you can use green chili also instead of red chili. Here in this masala we can add salt 1 or 2 teaspoons, which is enough for masala, only for masala. Now I have added salt 1 teaspoon in this masala. Now I am adding some little bit quantity of turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Let the gravy get cooked. Till then, here we will add chicken. This has been in reddish brown color. Now see, you can see the onions, it was roasted well. Yeah, it's roasted well. Now we can add chicken to this. Chicken which has been cleaned well. Now we are adding to this. I have added chicken and stirred up and down, so that like this, stirred up and down, so that the onions below, whatever it will be, it will come up and like that it will mix up. Now we are adding 2 teaspoons of salt, salt, 4 teaspoons of 3 or 4 teaspoons of, because I eat somewhat spicy. Now I am using 4 teaspoons. You can use 2 or 3. That's more than enough. Of chili powder, 2 or 3 teaspoons of chili powder. Turmeric powder, half tablespoon. Now stir it well so that everything get mixed up. I have stirred it well. Now it's time for closing the lid on this kadai so that the chicken will get cooked. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am closing the lid. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After that we can open. In the meantime, we are taking tamarind. Now we are taking tamarind. In that add water. Add water and make it some wet. Here check masala is done or not. In the meantime, rinse it so that it will not get roasted below. Now we are using tamarind water. We need to take all the tamarind water. Now open the lid of the kadai. Now you see chicken is getting cooked. Here is the tamarind water from which we have taken from the pulp, like this. Add this water to the chicken. Still the tamarind is pulpy, so we can add some more water and we can extract some more water from this pulp. Now again we can add this water, tamarind water, to chicken and let the lid get closed and wait for 5 minutes. Now chicken is ready. Another suggestion is, if you don't have any mixer at home, you can do this one only. No need of this gravy thing. Now we are adding this gravy to this chicken, and 2 minutes we need to rinse up and down. We need to rinse up and down. Chicken is ready. See, now I have added this gravy here. I'm waiting for two more minutes. Chicken is ready. Now yummy chicken gravy is ready.